Today, we're counting down 5 SUVs under $15,000 that have one thing in common: they refuse to die. These aren't just budget buys, they're the automotive equivalent of that one grandparent who's still outliving everyone and doing yoga at 6 a.m. They don't care about fashion, fuel prices, or your opinion. They just start up, do the job, and ask for very little in return. Before we jump into these immortal machines, like the video, subscribe, and tell us in the comments, what car in your life has lasted way longer than it had any right to? Let's get into it! Ah yes, the Toyota 4Runner, the SUV that just won't quit. The 2003 to 2009 4th-gen model came with either the rock-solid 4.0-liter V6 or the I Tow Boats for Fun 4.7-liter V8. Built on a body-on-frame chassis, this thing is part SUV, part mountain goat. People drive these to 300,000 plus miles, sell them, and then watch the next owner do another 150,000. It's not great on gas, but it'll drive through a blizzard, a desert, and your HOA's landscaping without blinking. You can find them for $10,000 to $14,000. And that's not a deal. It's an investment in never being stranded. This one's for all the people who just want a car that works. All the time. Forever. The 2012 to 2016 Honda CR-V is the kind of SUV that's so reliable, it's basically the cockroach of the crossover world, in the best way possible. With a simple 2.4-liter 4-cylinder, spacious interior, and fuel economy that won't make you cry at the pump, the CR-V is the default answer to the question, what should I buy that won't ruin my life? You can snag one for $11,000 to $15,000 and then forget you even own it. Seriously, you'll check the oil one day and be like, oh right, I still drive this. This is what happens when a Toyota Camry goes to finishing school and comes back with leather seats and spa music. The 2007 to 2012 RX 350 runs the trusty 3.5-liter V6, floats down the road like it's on a memory foam mattress, and comes from a brand that measures its lifespan in decades, not years. Luxury on a budget? Yes, but also reliability in a bathrobe. You'll find these for $9,000 to $13,000, and chances are the one you're buying has only ever gone to Target and yoga class, which means you're getting a bulletproof SUV with a soft ride and a strong scent of lavender air freshener. I know, reliable and Ford don't always belong in the same sentence, but hear me out. The 2008 to 2012 Escape Hybrid is the exception. Why? Because it uses Toyota-derived hybrid tech paired with a basic 2.5-liter engine, and it just works. Like, surprisingly well. People are driving these to 300,000 miles and beyond. And with 30 miles per gallon, it sips fuel like it's on a diet. Used prices are in the $6,000 to $10,000 range, which is shocking considering you'll probably never have to open the hood unless you drop a sandwich in there. It's the most reliable thing wearing a Ford badge since your uncle's 91 F-150. Need something that can go camping, tackle snow, and survive toddlers? Enter the 2010 to 2013 Subaru Forester, aka the unofficial car of Vermont. It's got a 2.5-liter flat-4 engine, legendary all-wheel drive, and more ground clearance than your ex's emotional walls. Yes, they're known for head gasket issues, but if that's been fixed, or if you're mechanically inclined, it's a total trooper. These things will hit 250,000 miles and still feel like a hiking boot on wheels. You can grab one for $7,000 to $12,000, and it'll handle anything you throw at it: dogs, snowstorms, or surprise IKEA trips. And that wraps up 5 budget SUVs under $15,000 that run like they've got a grudge against death. These aren't just great used vehicles, they're legends. The kind of cars you buy once and forget about for the next 10 years until someone says, "You still drive that thing?" and you smile and say, "Yup, still runs." Which one would you trust for the long haul? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more affordable beasts, used car pics, and vehicles built like cockroaches in steel armor, only on Petrol Magazine. Thanks for watching, and remember, some cars age like milk. These ones age like cast iron.